Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-Class of Standard 4th, subject Science, and today's our topic is flowers and fruits. My dear students, this is in second section of this chapter. In first session we have learned about flowers, different types of flower, different shapes of flower, different textures of flower and different uses of flower. That flowers are being used for the medicinal purpose. It is being used as a vegetable also. In this session we are going to discuss about the fruits. My dear students, fruit is being developed from the flower itself only, and how it is being developed from the flower you will learn in the higher classes. Remember now that fruit is being developed from the flower only. Fruits, everybody is used to eat fruits, no? Fruits contain seeds, no? And again from that seeds the new plant can be produced, can be grown up. So fruit stores seeds and food in them. That food is being utilized, that food which is being stored in the seed is being utilized during the germination process. Fruits gives nutrients to a body, that's why doctor used to say eats daily a one fruit. Fruits are very good in taste and flavors. Some likes mango, some like oranges, some like watermelon. But my dear student, do you observe one thing, that for example, mango and watermelon both having different tastes, but what about the seeds? In mango there is only one seed. Fruits generally have seeds which produces new plant. Some fruits have only one seeds like mango, peach, plum. Such type of fruits have only one seeds in them. Some fruits has many seeds like oranges, watermelon. You can see in the picture, oranges has many seeds in them. Watermelon also have many seeds in them. So my dear students, some fruits like lemon, papaya, oranges, watermelon have many seeds. And in some varieties of fruits like banana, some varieties of almost banana doesn't have the seeds, but in some variety of the grapes, papayas, in some variety, not in all the variety, in some variety of the grapes, papaya, they do not have any seeds. Seasonal fruits. Remember one thing students, whether you are able to get mango fruit throughout the year? No, because fruits also grown in the particular season only. That's why they are called as seasonal fruits. In summer season, some fruits we get in summer season only, they are not available in the winter season because of the climatic conditions. They grow in the summer season only. For example, muskmelon, watermelon, mango, lychee, jamun and many more fruits which grown only in summer season. So these are the fruits grown in summer season. As some fruits are available in summer season, some fruits are available in winter season like grapes, apple, oranges, amla. These type of fruits are available in winter season. Then there will be one question arising in your mind, my dear student, that but the apples are available in throughout the year. Yes, but it is grown in winter season only. It is stored in the cold storage so that it can be used or it can be available throughout the year. Like as we used to preserve some fruits in the our refrigerator, no? In the same way, on the large quantity, large scale, such type of fruits are being preserved or stored in a cold storage. That is why they are available throughout the year, but these fruits are grown in only winter season. Dry fruits, another form of fruits only. For example, fruits like cashew nuts, almond, walnuts are first dried and then used. Such type of dry fruits are eaten in the raw form only, and mostly they are being used or eaten in the winter season. Why they are being used mostly in the winter season? Because they produce the, they are warm and they produce the warmness in the body. These type of dry fruits are also used for preparing the dishes that are generally eaten during the winter season. My dear student, in a kitchen, in a refrigerator, vegetables like mango, okra, tomato is always being kept, because from such type of vegetable we use to prepare the food, some delicious food. But do you know the such type of vegetables which are being eaten as vegetable like brinjal, okra, tomato? They are actually fruits. They are actually fruits which is being used as vegetable. Example, bitter gourd, karela, gourd, jackfruit, kathal, brinjal, okra and tomato. Such type of fruits which is being used as the vegetables. Some more uses of fruits are, they can be prepared from such type of fruits like mango, lemon, strawberries are used in preparing the pickles and chutneys. So, my dear student, today we learn how the fruit is being produced, developed, what are the uses of the fruits. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.